Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I've got nothing on my desk other than some Cadbury's cream eggs, which are horrible, nasty things. I cannot bear them. Give me a Galaxy caramel egg, or if you're old enough, a toffee mallow, because you remember those. But I'm going to make a project for Cadbury's cream eggs using the Easter Joy paper? It is. It's called Easter Joy, which is absolutely stunning. And arguably I could make the box for that with this paper, but you know, I don't want to because I want to save it for other stuff. There's just loads of gorgeous patterns, so it's sort of shiny on one side and then plainer on the other. So I need to scooch that out of the way, and I'm going to do a little stamping. So I want to do the stamping first because I want to do some blending. So this is my bundle, Easter basket. Those are the stamps, those are the dies. And I want the little bunny, who is just too cute. So I'm going to take the little bunny and an egg. And then a happy Easter. Whoopsie, throw those around. So I'm going to get some blocks. I'm going to, that one for my happy Easter. One for my bunny, and that one for my egg. So I want to get these stamped off so they can dry a bit before I do any oh, what's the word, colouring. And I might, shall I do 2 eggs? Why not? In for a penny, in for a pound. And then happy Easter. Probably shouldn't be in black, but I've got black in front of me. And I'm going to put that up there. So what I'm going to do is put that off to one side so that it fully dries before I come and do my blending. And let's build this box. So the box, this will hold 3 Cadbury's cream eggs. That is not the piece of cardstock I want. I want that one. This measures 8.5 by 7.25 inches, which is 22 by 18.5 centimetres. So on the long side, so we're going to start on the long side, score it at 1.5, 3.5, 5 and 7, and that is all in inches. In metric, 4, 9, 13 and 18, and on the short side score it at 1.5 and 5 3/4 of an inch, which is 4 and 14.5 centimetres. So this is Shy Shamrock. I haven't used this colour in ages, but it's a nice green. It's definitely not a you know, a grass green or anything like that. It's very much an emerald green, and I have, you know, an emerald in my engagement ring, so I know my greens. My favourite colours are green and red, or the rainbow, one or the other. So that is all burnished up, and that's not the longest pair of scissors, but that'll do. So I've got 2 rectangles there and there, and then I've got 3 squares. So what I want to do is cut straight on the rectangle and wedge into the square all the way down, and for all of these parts. So we're wedging into all 6 of those squares. Oopsie. Yeah, a pair of paper snips probably not the best. I need a longer pair of scissors, but don't know where they are. Okay, so that's 1/2 done, and I'm going to repeat the same all along here as well. Ooh, and I'm just looking up and my battery's running out. Oh, I hope I can make it to the end of the video. I really do, because the last time this happened, I missed maybe 15 seconds. I happened to glance up and it's like, no, at what point did it cut off? So I had to play the whole video just to see how much had gone. But I've got 2 bars left. Okay. So that is all done. And then what I'm going to do is get some Seal Plus. This is purely for speed, for this video only, because I am conscious of that battery running out. Because I don't know how to edit videos together. They doesn't like to do it for me. So, oh, I need to put a little thumb doodah. Here we go. Oh, box of tissues. 1 3/4 inch punch. I just want to get a little divot. That's a thumb holder. So this is going to form the top of the box. This will be the lid. And so that I have sealed up. So these two now need to attach to this bit, because that's going to be the base of the box. I'll fold all of those round. Okay, so that's the base and then the lid, and I've got a piece of paper that measures 4 by 1 3/4 inches. I don't remember what that is in centimetres. That is going to be, let me have a look, 10 by 4.5 centimetres. So that needs to sit on the top. And this is the Easter egg pattern. Isn't it cute? And it's shiny, but it's quite hard as well. Oh, I probably should have stuck that on before I built the box up. And I'm going to get my 3 cream eggs. And obviously you don't have to put cream eggs in there. I don't know if you can get them easily where you are, but I've got them. And I've got those 3 in there. I'm going to ribbon this with some Shy Shamrock. Some Shy Shamrock ribbon. Let's finish off the sentence now. And that's cute. And you can see I've got a chewed up tail back here, so you can get rid of that. And then what I'm going to do, I can't actually access any of these. I'm going to colour these, and I'm just grabbing my blends, and hopefully I'm not appearing in the camera. I just want a couple of shades of brown for my bunny. So what colour is that? That's dark crumb cake. And is that going to be light? Well, that was lucky that they were right there. And this is where I forget to take the video off Zoom when I'm done. So I'm just following around the edge. I'm going to leave the nose separate. So this is the dark. I'm coming with the light and just sort of smush it. That's such a oh no! I went round the edges with the dark. And I'm just sort of smushing this around with the lighter shade just to get the ink to blend. And I'm going to leave the tail because, you know, bunnies got little white tails or paler tails. Probably could do a little, you know, pink nose, but and then I'm going to have a little bit more along here of this dark, a little bit more there and there. Yes, you can see that. At least I hope you can. And that ink will move around, and then I'm going to go some nice fun colours. Let me put those back because why not? And I'm looking for a green. I don't know what shade of green that is. That shade is spruce. It will do. And then I want into blue. I want Barney blue. I think that is the blue that's in there, but getting it is anybody's guess. That's Azure Afternoon. This one will also do. It's bright, fun colours. And yeah, the camera, the battery's still holding up. I know it's Lemon Lolly in there. Is this Lemon Lolly? No, that's Daffodil Delight. Seriously, what is going on? I'm getting all the wrong colours. I probably should show you how I store my blends, and then it will make sense as to why I'm not getting the right colours. I store them in this. Oh, you can't see it, and it sits on its side like that. So, and now I want a pink. I'm going to guess at that pink. That's Flirty Flamingo, but it's okay. It's going to work. Let me zoom back out, then I can show you my blends storage, so it makes sense. So they live in this, and they live on their side, and they're loose in there, and it just sits on its side like that. And so they move about, so if I take one from there, the whole lot drops down. Okay, right, let's get these die cut out. I've only done the one because I think there is only one Easter egg die. I might be wrong. Yeah, there is one. So I've got my bunny and I've got the egg. I'm going to get my famous purple tape and put it across my hand just to de-stickify it. And my mini cut and emboss. A whole stack of plates, so I've got a base, and there's a there, and there's another one. So base plate in first, and then clear plate, and oh, still holding out with 2 bars on the battery. And then hold the egg in place. Oh, you can tell I'm concentrating, I'm not speaking. And then a second clear plate over the top. Oh, they're so cute. Well, I still managed to wiggle it anyway. Oh, well. And what did I do? Oh, here it is. Happy Easter up there. I'm just going to wing it with a pair of scissors. Oh, don't cut yourself. Stop rushing, Sam. I can bring in my box, and so I can have Happy Easter sort of sticking off there a little bit. I need to trim that down a tiny bit. It's slightly wonky. There we go. So I can have Happy Easter there. And then my little bunny and my egg, which is so cute. You can't read the words. Didn't think of that. I'm going to put the bunny down here because it was covering it up. And my little egg down here. And that, I think, is a really sweet way to gift a trio of cream eggs. Don't eat 3 cream eggs in the same time. You'll be very poorly because they're very rich. I like the chocolate, I like the fondant, can't bear the combination. Seriously, toffee mallow. If you're a 70s kid, you remember those, but you know, Galaxy Caramel one will work for me. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I've probably got more stuff I can attach to that. I could probably put these beautiful Easter assortment embellishments, but I don't want to run out of time. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.